Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to upload longer videos on your story without splitting it up into parts. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application on your device and tap on your profile picture in the upper left corner to explore the Story option. Here you can select any video of 60 seconds that you want to upload on your story. As you can see, the video is ready to be uploaded without splitting up into parts or without any cuts. You can then add any music to the video if you want, or type anything related to the video. Once you have done all that, the video is ready to be shared with your audience. That's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.